So hello guys, we have learned of the family of organic compounds known as alkanes. We got to see how alkanes are prepared, their nomenclature, and some of their properties. In this lesson, we'll discuss alkenes, otherwise known as olefins. We'll pay particular attention to their nature and uses. Alkenes are aliphatic hydrocarbons with a general molecular formula of CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms in the alkene and can take any value that is greater than 1. With this general formula, we can obtain the molecular formula of any alkene. For example, propene, which has 3 carbon atoms, will have a molecular formula of C3H6. Alkenes are characterized by the presence of a double bond in their structure. What this means is that if you see a compound with a double bond, then that compound is probably an alkene, except it possesses another functional group of higher priority. This double bond in the structure of an alkene gives us an insight into the properties of this group of compounds. The most important being that alkenes are unsaturated compounds. This unsaturation stems from the fact that doubly bonded carbon atoms are only attached to 3 atoms or group of atoms instead of 4, meaning that doubly bonded carbon compounds like alkenes can further take part in chemical reactions. This is the major distinction between alkenes and alkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, while alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let's now see some of the uses of alkenes. The most useful alkene is without doubt ethene. It is mainly used for the manufacture of plastics, with the most common being polyethylene, a polymer that is used for making what we commonly refer to as polythene bags. It is also used as an additive to improve the quality of petrol and for the manufacture of synthetic rubber, which is used for making car tires. Ethene also finds immense use in the agricultural industry. It serves as a hormone that hastens the ripening of fruits. So, artificial sources of ethene have been used to artificially ripen fruits. Lastly, many alkenes are used for the manufacture of many industrial organic chemicals like ethanol and tetraethyl lead, which is added to petrol to prevent knocking in car engines. Here is a summary of the key points learned in this lesson. Alkenes, otherwise known as olefins, have a general molecular formula of CnH2n. Alkenes are unsaturated due to the presence of a double bond in their structure. Ethene is used for the manufacture of plastics, synthetic rubber, and as a fuel additive. Ethene is used to hasten the ripening of fruits, and alkenes are used for the manufacture of many industrial